Hey guys, it's Jake with Kentucky Kingdom. Gravity Group has been working hard to prepare Kentucky Flyer for flight. Come on, let's go check out all the progress. Around 40 of the 246 bents are up. Many more are going up around Christmas time. All concrete will be complete by December 13th. They're currently drilling for the chemical anchors now. Track work will begin in late January. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future Kentucky Flyer updates. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.